Aniq here. Aniq here. So today we're going to be unboxing the Fire Tablet 7 with Alexa in it. So I think we got it in the color blue over here, HGB. So here's some info on the back. It's a 7-inch display, 256 GB, micro SD slot, and some other stuff. So now let's get unboxing. So
whose tablet is this?
I think it's Muaz's. In the other water gun video.
I think it's yours, Aniq.
But I don't want it. so it is in blue.
What does it come with?
Yeah, so it is in blue. Here blue. There's a charger, and this is in color blue. Here's the camera. Here's the screen. There's the camera. So the buttons are over here, and this is over here the charger. It's a normal Android charger and a little charging port. It says these are some informational books and stuff. See, it says in this one it says do more with your Fire tablet, and in this one it says just say Fire 7. Let me see. I think it's to see how to unlock and do stuff with your Fire tablet. So we'll be right back after we're done setting up this. So it's turning on now. Fire. It looks really cool. And over here are the two noise buttons. Now let's take out this cover. And here we go. Here is the Fire tablet. It is now open. It says just log in. So we have set up the tablet. Now it's telling some information about it. So we're quickly going through that. What's the weather tomorrow, Alexa?
Tomorrow in Irving, you'll see mostly sunny weather and can expect a high of 98 and a low of 81.
So it's Alexa.
Here are some more things to try. What's the news? What can I say? How deep is the ocean?
Finish. So yeah, we're done setting it up and it's pretty cool. It's not too big or anything.